So epic. That was just next level.
Was amazing. It just draws you in.
Oh, I've never seen anything like this.
No, I've never seen something like this. It's really awesome.
I mean, this is just ridiculous.
I'm still feeling it.
Complete immersion, art form.
Cutting edge of the transformational 21st century art scene.
That's crazy. I see bug life.
You know, in the past, everyone's been able to view the different paintings, but with the Fulldome, it's like the first time, it's almost as if the people can now travel inside of the paintings.
Art is representations of consciousness and spirituality, especially Andrew's art. So you can enter inside the artwork and you can relate with that conscious world.
I felt many times that there's a conscious and eternal force. It's intelligent, it's playful, it's very curious. I believe that we evolve our senses and our tools and our opportunities in order for it to explore itself through us.
The technology is not a secret anymore, but the Fulldome Pro made this technology available. It's no longer a privilege of those big guys who have big millions of dollars. Now it's coming to a public, to festivals, to artists that can work with that.
It puts you in a trance. You just feel like you just want to keep looking at it forever, like keep going deeper and deeper, and it keeps sharing and revealing more and more.
The whole space kind of distorts, and you kind of feel like being part of the space.
It's almost like we're melding in, like the top and the people are coming in together, and it's just like a communion almost.
Art should not be separate from us. The technology, like the dome, like our app, brings magic closer to us and bring experiences and feelings that have not been seen before, have not been felt before, much closer to us.
It's a revolutionary product, and we work with revolutionary artists.
Seeing Android's work in this dome is just taking what he's done to a totally different level.
Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. It will be an experience that people will enjoy for a long time.
I hope we can have it in a bigger way here at Lightning in a Bottle next year.
The future is now, right?
The future is
now.